Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel Sing Amit Official, and today we have to discuss class 10 chemistry. Now our chapter name is carbon and its compound. Lecture number 7. Now we have to discuss our chapter carbon and its compound. That in previous section we have to discuss about many types of formations and many types of versatile nature of carbon. Again I will recall it from the scenario of the introduction. That means we have to discuss that carbon is a non-metal whose atomic number 6, configuration is 2,4, and its valence electron is 4, tetravalent in nature, having a unique properties named as a catenation, means self-linkage. And this is the reason we get more types of carbon compounds in our nature and in our environment. After that we have to discuss about the another properties of allotropic. Allotropic, that means those substances that are chemically same but physically different. That means their physical structure are many different in a way, but in entirely condition they all contain same element. And we know that there are 3 allotropes of carbon. 2 in terms of natural, that means diamond and graphite, and 1 man-made allotrope, that is Buckminster Fullerene. About to the diamond is a tetravalent shape. Other hand, graphite is a hexagonal shape and fluorine is a football-like structure. In previous video, we have to discuss about the organic compounds in terms of the thesis of Berzelius, and we also discuss about the Wöhler synthesis. After that, we comes on the hydrocarbon, where carbon and hydrogen comes together for the formations of compound that is called hydrocarbon. After this, we have to classify this hydrocarbon in 2 means. First of all is saturated, another one is unsaturated. And in terms of unsaturated means, we have to discuss that alkane, alkene and alkyne on the basis of their multiplicity of bonding. That means we have discussed that alkene and alkyne. Now, according to its proper scenario, we have to discuss many type of compound for the formation of this belonging to this family. That means its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Its general formula is CnH2n. Its general formula. And in the terms of alkyne, our general formula is CnH2n minus 2. We have to generate some family regarding this for the formation of alkene and alkyne. Just like the formation, we have to prepare first methane. Its formula is CH4. We have to prepare ethane. Its formula is C2H6. We have to prepare propane, and its formula is C3H8. We have to prepare butane, and its formula is C4H8. We have to prepare pentane, and its formula is C5H12. Just like this, we have to prepare alkene means, that means we have to prepare again ethene, and its formula is C2H4. C2H4. Now we have to prepare propene. That means, what is the formula of propene is C3H6. In terms terms of you have to prepare butene. That means C4H8 is there. In terms of the formation of pentene, that means here the formation is C5 and 2 into 5, that is CH10 is here. In terms of the formation of alkyne, we have to prepare first of all ethyne. This is C2H2 is here. According to its formation, CnH2n minus 2, that means C2H2 into 2 minus 2, that means C2H4 minus 2 is equal to C2H2 is here. During this formation, you have to also calculate from this C2H2 into 2 is equal to C2H4 is here. In formation of propyne, we have to prepare C3H2 into 3, that means C3 and formula propyne is C3H2 into 3. This is 6 minus 2 and C3H4 is here. Again, for the formation of butane, again we have to use formula for this C4 and 4 to the 8 minus 2, that means this is C4H what? 6. This is 6. You have to prepare pentane now. For the formula of pentane, C5H5 to the 10 minus 6, yani C5H8 is here. So this is the formation of another type of hydrocarbon in terms of saturated, in terms of unsaturated. That means this is our saturated hydrocarbon. This is our unsaturated hydrocarbon. In terms of double bond only. Double bond. In the formation of alkyne, we have to discuss also, this is also unsaturated hydrocarbon and containing of triple bond. So this is our scenario for the formations of hydrocarbon in terms of using their general formula, and its all properties have been discussed in our previous video. How can it form and what is its definition? That's all have been studied by us in previous section. Today we have to discuss only about the formations of compound by using their general formula. So just take a screenshot of this. After that we comes on alkyl series and we discuss alkyl group. So take a screenshot of this. Okay guys, now I will erase it. Okay, now I have to discuss alkyl group. Now we have to discuss about its proper definition. How can the formation of alkyl will be represented in terms of that? That means this hydrocarbon is related of the saturated mix. That is the parent of alkene. When you remove one hydrogen from alkene, our new compound or series will generated that is called alkyl. That means when you remove one hydrogen from alkane series in terms of, that means we have to discuss that in terms of saturated hydrocarbon, that means the formation of alkene. In terms of alkene, you have to remove one hydrogen from this. This is the formation of alkyl. We have to take some example. First of all, we have to prepare one alkyl from alkene. That means we have to take one alkene, just like this. Formation of alkene we have to prepare here methane. And the formula of methane is, as we know, that this is CH4. In terms of the structure, C, H, and this H. Now you have to remove one hydrogen. Get removed from this. That means our structure will be showing like this. This is H, this is H, this is H. And this hydrogen gets removed in terms of this scenario. This is CH4, and now guys, this is CH3 dash. And the naming of this, from the methane we have to prepare now an alkyl series, alkyl, and name of this is methyl. Just like this, we have to also prepare ethane. Formula is C2H6 is here. Again we have to draw in this representation like this, C dash. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and this is also hydrogen. In terms of mean, you have to again remove one hydrogen from this. That means the formation is further regarding formation like this. Carbon in terms. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and this hydrogen get removed. You can see written it like C2H5 dash, and its name is ethyl. From this series, you can also prepare methyl, propyl. That means this is our alkyl series. Now we have to discuss its general formula for this. That means the general formula of alkyl series is CnH2n plus 1. That means for the formation of alkene we have to study that the general formula of alkene is CnH2n plus 2. After removing one hydrogen, you can be represented as CnH2n plus 1, where n is the number of carbon. By using this formula, we can also prepare, just like we have to prepare methyl and ethyl, now we have to prepare propyl. That means number of carbon is 3. Having prepared this formula CnH2n plus 1, that means C3H2 into 3 plus 1. This is C3H2 3 just 6 plus 1 7. This is propyne. That means by using the general formula you can prepare many types of hydrocarbon. This is so easy for us, and this is our make our systematic system in terms of easy, and this is our alkyl group. So take a screenshot of this. Other hand, we have to discuss about the cyclic terms. That means our next point is our cyclic saturated hydrocarbon and cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbon. Like that, the formation of those type of structure in which the cyclic means closed ring structure are represented in the terms of the way where carbon and carbon join in terms of single bonding, and unsaturated means carbon and carbon join together in a multiple bonding containing double bond or triple bond. In terms of that, we have to discuss from this. So just take a screenshot of this case.